Discover the essentials of a strong and healthy relationship with Growing in Love, The Easy Way to a Healthy Relationship. This book is a practical guide, crafted to help you avoid the challenges I faced, so you can experience happiness and success in your relationships with ease. Over just 40 days, the book walks you through simple yet powerful strategies that can transform your connections with family, partners, and colleagues. It covers everything from building trust and emotional availability to mastering empathy, active listening, and conflict resolution. These aren't just techniques, they're steps toward creating relationships that can withstand life's ups and downs. If you're ready to bring real change to your relationships, Growing in Love is here for you. Comment below, share your thoughts in the comments, or let us know what topics you'd love to explore more. What's the one quality you think every strong relationship needs?